Welcome to Fred Tech in this Invest. One thing I've noticed about Android users is that when you use your Android phone for a longer time, all of a sudden it will start running slow. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix that. I'll show you how to unlock developer option to speed up your phone. So let's get started. All you have to do is go to your device setting. So I have my settings at the top here. Device settings. If you go to device, then you go to about phone. Yes, my about phone, but some there's their own another here. So you click on about phone. So when it's right about phone, then you scroll up. Then on some Android phones, it comes builder number. By mine, I have MIUI version. This I'm using Xiaomi Redmi. This is the phone that I'm using. But on other phones, it will come builder number. So you tap on that builder number 7 times. You type on it 7 times. You type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After tapping on it, you see it will show that you are now a developer. So let's do it here. So I'll type on my version here. I'll tap on it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now you see what I'm now a developer. I'm now a developer. So you go back to your setting main page. Some Android phones, you want to scroll up, it will show down here the developer options, but mine is at additional settings. So when I scroll up, you see developer options is at the down here. So I'll click on the developer options. I click on it, and I'll scroll up. I'll continue to scroll up, scroll up until I see what window animation skill. So you click on the window animation skill. You see mine is at animation skill 1. So you reduce it to 0.5 or you turn it off automatically. But as for me, I will switch mine to 0.5. I'll switch mine to 0.5. So you see, window animation skill is on 0.5, and we go to what transition animation skill, that one to 0.5, and what animated duration, that one to 0.5. So this is what you have to do on your Android device for it to run faster like as it is previously. So after this, you don't have to do anything again. You just go back to your main page. Then you begin to see some changes on your Android phone. You see how it will be running fast. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tech solution on mobile phones and many more. Don't forget to subscribe. Welcome. Thank you all. Bye-bye.